Celebrations and mournings, both are a daily affair in the world of digital assets. So, bringing in some of those happy and sad updates, here we are, the CoinMonks, and I am Shambhavi sailing your boat in this river of latest updates. Starting up straight with the headlines. Alameda Research of Bankman-Fried is the second largest borrower from Voyager at $377 million after 3AC. Binance celebrates 5th anniversary with zero Bitcoin trading fee. Graff Diamonds paid $7.5 million in Bitcoin to hackers. Sepolia on Ethereum testnet successfully switched to POS. Starting up. As we informed you all in our previous video on 1st of July, crypto lending platform Voyager Digital suspended withdrawals, tradings and deposits, citing difficult market conditions. Few days after that, the lender filed for Chapter 11 of bankruptcy in New York. Voyager's descent into insolvency was mainly owing to several high-notch firms failing to repay its loan. A filing with the bankruptcy court showed that Alameda Research, a cryptocurrency trader, was Voyager's largest single creditor with unsecured loans of $75 million. Alameda Research, the firm founded by crypto billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried, owes Voyager around $377 million at an interest rate of 1% to 5%. This makes Alameda Voyager Digital's second largest borrower after Three Arrows Capital, which recently also filed for bankruptcy. In June, 3AC was issued as a default notice by Voyager after the exchange failed to make payments on a loan of 15,250 bitcoins, amounting to roughly $324 million, as well as USDC stablecoins worth nearly $350 million. 3AC currently is formally liquidated by the order of a British Virgin Island court. Apart from 3AC and Alameda, several other big names in the business is in the list of the companies that owe Voyager money. According to the court document, cryptocurrency market maker and lending firm Genesis Global Capital owes Voyager around $17 million. Genesis recently confirmed that Three Arrows Capital was the large counterpart that failed to meet a large margin call in June, forcing liquidation of the related collateral. Galaxy Digital LLC is another firm that failed to repay its loan worth $34 million. According to the bankruptcy filing, Voyager, which failed to meet its customers' liquidity need, is expected to have more than 100,000 creditors and about $1 billion to $10 billion in assets. The Toronto-based crypto firm had claimed in its blog post that it had $110 million in cash and $350 million in cash at Metropolitan, and $1.3 billion in crypto was owed and $650 million from 3AC. Next up, the cryptocurrency exchange Binance is a familiar name in the crypto space, and it is among one of the most famous lending exchanges in terms of trading volume. Since the recent market crash, the firm has been incorporating new changes and planning new ventures. On July 6, Binance announced that it will be celebrating its 5th anniversary and will celebrate achieving this milestone by eliminating trading fees on a wide range of Bitcoin spot trading pairs. Cryptocurrency trading pairs refers to a set of assets that can be traded for each other on exchanges dealing with virtual currencies. These pairs involve the quote currency, the one which investors use for trading if the aim is to earn more or to accumulate a particular coin, and the base currency is used against the first one. These pairs help in comparing the value of one cryptocurrency against another. Binance has earned fame for maintenance the lowest spot trading fees in the industry and has now become the leader with this move. It will be implemented from July 8, and customers will be able to trade on 13 stablecoins and fiat combinations including BTC, USDT, BTC/USDC, BTC/EUR, BTC/TRY, and more without paying any trading fees. The exchange has announced that this rule will be in effect till further notice. The founder and CEO of Binance, CZ, has stated, "In line with our first user philosophy, Binance has always strived to provide the most competitive fee in the industry. At its core, Binance is an inclusive platform with accessibility in mind. Eliminating the trading fee on selected BTC spot trading pair is another move towards that direction." And now moving on to our next update for today. A Russian hacker group demanded $7.5 million in Bitcoin from Graff Diamond Corp, a worldwide jewelry firm with offices in London, after receiving their threats over the exposure of client data. Graff Diamonds Corp is a diamond business that specializes in rough diamonds and cutting polishing as well as the creation, production, and retail sale of fine jewelry and timepieces. As per Bloomberg, they reported that they had the data of their well-known clients stolen and were coerced by the hacker to pay ransom in Bitcoin to keep it a secret. According to reports, the Conti Group launched the ransomware campaign in September 2021. The royal families of Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, and Qatar were particularly worried by some of the stolen material. As a result, the Conti Group itself eventually issued an apology to them. However, it had warned Graff Diamonds that it would leak further information. Conti apologized to the families in an unprecedented move for the hacking gang, while threatening to release more of Graff's data. At the time, the organization stated that our goal is to disclose as much of Graff's material regarding the financial statement made by US, UK, EU, non-noble plutocracy, which participates in obscenely expensive purchases with their nations and disintegrating under economic duress. Whether Conti accepted the Bitcoin payment at this time is still unknown. On November 4, 118 Bitcoins would have been equivalent of Graff's payment. But on Tuesday, in London, 118 Bitcoins were only worth a little over $2.3 million. And now winding up with our last update for today. One of Ethereum's open testnets, Sepolia, underwent the merge on Wednesday. With this, Ethereum developers have moved one step closer to this year's planned unification with the main network. To activate, 32 Ethereum tokens are required per validator. Ethereum was trading at $598.35 on December 1, 2020. Since then, Ethereum has had a tremendous uptrend as the market became bullish, leading to a new record high of $4,812 earlier last year. Sepolia would be the second of 3 open testnets to run via the merge after it was implemented on the Ropsten testnet. The Gorilla Parater testnet will be the last to run on the merge before it goes live on the mainnet. 3 open testnet will be used to test the merge, according to Ethereum developers. Ropsten and Sepolia are the latest examples of these. Currently, the Gorilla testnet is the only one that needs to be integrated in the upcoming weeks. Notably, in June 22, at Epoch 100, Sepolia passed through the Bellatrix upgrade. The Sepolia beacon chain was prepared for the merge thanks to the successful Bellatrix upgrade. Additionally, Sepolia's terminal hole issue TDD value was charged from its initial excessive value as a result of the Bellatrix improvement. The test was done to see if the validator nodes from both of the Sepolia's chain could cooperate. The Ethereum mainnet merge event is scheduled to follow a similar course of action. It is anticipated to happen before the end of this year, though no specific date has been specified. So with this, we'll round off our analysis for today and see you all tomorrow with even more exciting content. In the meantime, if you have any recommendations or opinions, do let us know in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel to receive daily crypto market updates. Thanks for watching and have a really wonderful day ahead.